In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an online meeting for more than 100 participants in Google Meet. Hosting a large-scale meeting can be a daunting task, but with the right plan, it becomes manageable and even seamless. Google Meet offers robust features for virtual meetings. However, you need to ensure you have access to the right tools and settings to accommodate a large number of participants. Let's dive right into making your meeting a success. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Meet. You can do this by simply typing Google Meet into your browser's search bar and clicking on the official site, or you can directly access it through the URL meet.google.com. This platform is highly accessible and will be where we set up and host our meeting. Make sure you are logged into your Google account before proceeding further. To host a meeting with more than 100 participants, you will need to be on a Google Workspace paid plan. This is crucial as the standard free Google Meet accounts typically support up to 100 participants only. If you don't currently have a Google Workspace paid plan, you might consider contacting your organization's IT department or purchasing a plan yourself. Google Workspace provides different tiers of plans, each offering various features and meeting capacities. Selecting the plan that best fits your needs will ensure a smooth meeting experience. Once you have secured a Google Workspace paid plan, the next step is to select the appropriate plan for your meeting needs. You will want to click on the Business Starter option, which is one of the available tiers under Google Workspace. Although this plan supports 100 participants, you'll find that upgrading to a higher tier, such as Business Standard or Business Plus, allows for even more attendees. It might be worth considering if you expect your meetings to exceed the 100 participant mark regularly. With the correct plan in place, you're now ready to create your meeting on Google Meet. Start by opening Google Meet and clicking to create a new meeting. Once your meeting is set up, generate a meeting link to share with your participants. Ensure that you communicate the meeting link well in advance to allow attendees to prepare and test their access. It's also helpful to remind attendees to check their audio and video settings before the meeting to minimize technical issues during the session. In conclusion, by following these steps, navigating to Google Meet, securing a Google Workspace paid plan, and choosing the right business starter or higher plan, you'll be well equipped to host a successful online meeting for over 100 participants. Keep your participants engaged and informed, and your large meeting will run smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to leave any questions or share your experiences in the comments below.